miss what God is doing, where God is moving, so we just have to jump in, basically. Are you ready to jump in?
Yes, sir.
Whatever God is doing, and thank God that in our international churches, in our international context, we are so sensitive to that, because if there is one thing that we don't want to do, is to miss what God is doing. So when we look around us, do we see the hand of God moving in every situation? I was struck by one of the statements of one of the well-noted men of God, evangelical pastor in California, the person of Jack Smith, when he said this: if in your life that you have not seen for about a week or two, if you have not seen the hand of God doing something in your life, then you are at the verge of a backsliding stage. When I heard that, I said, oh my God, that was a strong statement. What he said. If you have not seen God moving in your life lately for about 2 weeks, and if you have not noticed anything at all, the things that happen in your life, you have not noticed the handprint of God, then it means that we are at the verge of a backsliding stage.